Good morning, Reynolds family. Today is Monday, April 27th. Welcome to episode 5 of our Tech Training Roundup series.
I'm Kim.
And I'm Kevin.
And we make up technology training services here at Reynolds Community College. What a month it's been. But as we close out this spring semester, we would like to thank you for all you do for our students, and we hope you and yours are safe and well.
All websites and videos referenced here will be linked in the video description below for your convenience. Please visit our Tech Training tutorial page for video tutorials and guides that cover questions on common software used at the college. If this support material does not provide answers, please reach out to us at technologytraining@reynolds.edu rather than email either of us directly. This allows us to tag team and track common issues to serve you more efficiently.
The Quick Access Guide is still available for face-to-face instructors who have moved their courses online. This guide contains essential information for both the Canvas LMS and Zoom. Resources provided include 24-hour phone and chat support, as well as Reynolds faculty online mentors and their contact information. You can find the Quick Access Guide in our most recent email communication, as well as the Tech Training website. Additionally, our student technology support page has been updated and is located on the Reynolds EDU webpage.
Next week, the Canvas Rich Content Editor will be getting a facelift. Starting Wednesday, May 6th, all Canvas instructors will notice a change in the layout and style of the icon toolbar when editing announcements, assignments, pages, and discussions. To help prepare you for the visual design of the new Rich Content Editor, we've created a PDF guide that details the new layout and changes. Most changes are visual in nature, including the grouping of toolbar menus by common icons and interactions. Included on the document are links to release notes, a video overview, and additional guides from the Canvas community website. You can find this PDF guide on our Canvas tutorial web page under the Content tab. Look for Rich Content Editor.
Many questions we received have been centered around website and application connectivity issues. While this past week the issues were VCCS related, many issues are directly related to the increase in online traffic due to COVID-19. We suggest the following 3 basic practices for you to troubleshoot prior to contacting your favorite techie for support. 1, reload or refresh the browser. If a website stalls or times out when you attempt to complete a function, your first action should always be to reload or refresh the browser. This button is on all browsers at the top of the page next to the website address field. Number 2, try the same action again in another browser. If you're experiencing issues with an application or website, try to replicate your action in another browser. If your task works in the new browser, then you know there was a browser compatibility issue. For example, Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome are recommended for the Canvas application. But if you use the Internet Explorer or Safari browsers, Canvas doesn't always function properly. Microsoft has stopped supporting older versions of Internet Explorer and has replaced it with the Edge browser. 3, minimize the number of applications open on your computer, your tablet, or your mobile device. Depending on your hardware's technical specifications, you may be slowing down your productivity with too many applications open simultaneously. We recommend limiting your number of applications and leaving open only those that you are currently working in. More people than ever are now online, and internet traffic to common sites like Canvas or Office 365 have and will continue to be affected. We ask for your patience with your technology support colleagues. If the above recommendations still don't resolve your issues, then please feel free to reach out through the proper channels, depending on the nature of your issue. And now for the Tech Training Tip of the Week.
This week's Tip of the Week focuses on video settings in Zoom that some users may not be aware of. All of these can be found in the Zoom desktop app, rather than the web portal via My Reynolds, and can be accessed both prior to and during a Zoom meeting itself. To access these settings during a Zoom meeting, click on the up caret next to the Start Video icon on your toolbar. Then select Video Settings. Or, prior to a Zoom meeting, click on the gear icon in the Zoom desktop app. Then, Video. From the Video Settings tab, you can select your camera source and choose widescreen or original aspect ratio. Enable HD increases the quality of your video. Warning here, if you have a weak internet connection or experience regular audio or video interruptions, we recommend turning this feature off. Mirror My Video may help in situations if you need to flip your screen for any reason. And Touch Up My Appearance provides a soft focus, which is often used to touch up one's appearance to minimize details or blemishes. Other video settings here include always display participant names on their video, turn off my video when joining meetings, and hide non-video participants, among others. For more information and guides on Zoom, please visit our Tech Training Zoom tutorial page found here.
That's your tech training tip of the week. If you have any tip suggestions yourself, please feel free to email us at technologytraining@reynolds.edu.
And if you have any questions or troubleshooting issues, please reach out to us also at technologytraining@reynolds.edu. This is Kevin.
And Kim signing out.
Be safe.
Be well.
And we'll see you in the next Tech Training Roundup video.